Hey rich lifers, everyone's been buzzing about this whole making $15,000 a month thing. It's like the ultimate jackpot dream, right? But here's the rub, there's a ton of misleading junk out there, making it seem like a cakewalk. So today, I'm breaking down the 3 major keys you need to open the door to that $15,000 a month club. Alright, let's dive into the first key, the right vehicle. Trust me, this isn't about picking the swankiest car or something. I'm talking about the kind of vehicle that's your ticket to that monthly 15 grand party. Now, here's the deal, it needs to be big enough, yet not a crazy gamble. In plain English, it's got to be something that can actually get you that $15K without risking all your hard-earned money. And here's a heads up, trading ain't the answer. I'm just putting it out there. You've got these traders peddling their stuff, right? They promise you the world, and you're left with a hole in your pocket. Why? Because they profit when you lose, my friend. That's just the truth of the game. Turning a grand into 15 or 20 grand in a year? Tough job. On the other hand, starting a lean online gig can totally get you tens of thousands in the same time frame. Now, I'm not saying you'll be rolling in hundreds of thousands in year 1, but you'll definitely outshine a regular 9 to 5, and the cool thing is, you can do it from anywhere. That's the power of a solid vehicle. Speaking of which, it's all about something that pumps out free cash flow. Think of it as your profit playground, the cash you can actually put to use. And here's a bit of hard truth, your net worth isn't everything. You might have a fancy number, but it's like monopoly money if you can't actually use it. Take these folks with huge net worths, they can't touch their money because it's all tied up in their company or investments. You don't want that, especially when starting out. So, steer clear of those paths that hog your cash. Instead, lean towards a service-based biz that hands you actual money. Now, let's get real, you're not going to be the next Forbes cover story overnight. But that's cool because what you will be is solidly building a business that gets you rolling in the good stuff. Now, key number 2, time. Remember that meme about comparing yourself to someone who's 3 years ahead? Well, that's life, my friend. If you're aiming for 15K in 6 months and you're only hitting $1,200, you will probably feel like you're stuck in quicksand. And I get it, our era is all about instant gratification. But sometimes, the best things in life aren't quick fixes, they're the slow-cooked feasts that melt in your mouth. So, set your time expectations right. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your 15K a month empire. But hey, this isn't a snail's race either. You won't be dragging this out for years on end, I promise. Alright, now let's dive into the final frontier, sustaining that 15K. Buckle up because this is where the roller coaster gets wild. It's not just about hitting that mark, it's about making it your financial DNA, your baseline. You see, money isn't just numbers on a screen, it's a state of mind. And when that 15K becomes the ground you walk on, everything changes. Now, hang tight. It's not all smooth sailing from there. You've got to learn the art of money, how to hold on to it, and even better, how to multiply it. But remember, don't play the new money game. Instead, take cues from the old money playbook. Old money knows the deal, it's not just about making it, it's about keeping it and watching it grow. Now, let me be clear, I'm no guru. I'm just a regular guy who years ago went down the road you're on now. I mean, my baseline was a measly grand a month. Then it went up to 5, then 10, then 15. And you know what? There were moments when I was hustling like a madman, but also moments when I was hyped up collecting the results of it. So, remember, getting to 15K is not just about the money, it's about who you become along the way. So there you have it, mates. I've laid out the map and shared my own journey. Making that 15K a month isn't some far-fetched dream. It's within your reach if you've got the right vehicle, a pinch of patience, and a dash of financial savvy. And hey, once you hit that milestone, it's not the finish line, it's just the beginning of a whole new chapter. So, here's to you, the person on the journey to financial freedom. May your 15K a month journey be epic, full of highs and lows, but always moving forward. Here's to a rich life,